Hi everyone, I hope you all. This is CoinsKid. Just going to dive into XRP once again. Thank you for support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. So right now you can see the XRP has actually broken that high there. Do you see that high? And he ran into the 1272 at the moment. Okay, look how bullish XRP is. So you run into it, and right now you're coiling up between the 1272 and hopefully the previous high. So you're coming back to this high for support. Okay, and like I said to you, come back into the EMAs, drag these up, get the buy and go to the beach. Coming back into it, boom, get your breakout, and you're looking at the 1618 target just there, which is this white trend line. Okay, and what you did, you bottomed out and you come back up the stairs violently to this level of resistance. Now once you start to break out and hold and back test, boom, you're getting your breakout. But you know, don't count off that XRP could actually run into this at the moment and come back deeper and then come up and break out. Okay, so we're going to trade all this together. I would imagine just like these levels of resistance here, you know, we're going to run into this key resistance. It's all about this resistance just here, and you can see pretty much it's where your 1618 target is. So right now, because you're breaking out here, you put an impulsive break, look, you retrace into the high and you've actually put into the 1272, which is really strong. And coming back for support, coil up, create some kind of continuation pattern like a horizontal or some kind of bull flag. If we take a look on the 4-hourly time frame, yeah, you start to come back to the previous high and the EMAs like that, hold support, come back in some kind of bull flag, get your continuation, then you break out, and then you run the 1618, which is where the trend line is, and we've actually broken out here. Okay, so it's all about what XRP does here. Okay, this is the most important part of this bull run for XRP, because at the point of closing above that key level resistance on the weekly, especially because you can see on the daily you get fake outs. Okay, so on the weekly we're looking for the close above this key level of resistance. Once we get that, holding back test of support, you know, then you're looking to come up and break that high just there, retest them summer highs, well last year not quite summer, spring highs, and with that you're going to get the breakout to that white line, because you're going to get your impulsive breakout target. Now there was a comment yesterday, how did I get to that $4.50 target, and it's the 1618 just there. Okay, that's your minimal target going forward for XRP, but you've got other targets which I've gone through in previous videos with you, but that is my minimal target, that's my minimal breakout target. And the reason is because, you know, this is what XRP does, it breaks the 1618, it breaks highs and goes to the 1618. For example, this one here, we traced down in the corona dump just there. When it came up and broke the high, you was in a 1618 target. Let me show you, okay, how you calculate this. Look at that, you came into the 1618 just there, look at that. So you know, you're coming down, oh shit, it's going to zero, you retrace to this high, once you break it, you came down for a little bit of support, boom, look at that, boom, you met the 1618 at 74 cents, then you retraced again and again. From here you retrace back down to this low. Okay, so this was your low, you came up, impulsive break, and then you retraced down to this low, you held this low, and as soon as you start to come back up and break that high, you're in another impulsive break target. Okay, and this is one of the reasons the channel grew into such a big channel, basically, and you know, over 250,000 subs, is because I think so many people are in disbelief when I was making videos saying XRP is going to top out at 197, and it did. So that was two impulsive 1618 targets were actually met, okay, using Fibonacci just there, $1.97, and you can see just like this, ran into resistance at the 1618, came back to support, we traced into this low, held it, started to come back up, broke that, what happened? 1618. And right now, you know, like I said to you in a video last week, all XRP is doing here is retracing to this low. That's all it's doing, okay, in this bull run. It's retracing to this low. So providing you can hold this low, you know, you start to retrace and hold a normal level of support, whether you come down here or whatever, providing you hold that support, you will always be looking at $4.50 down the line. Okay, but what it's doing here is good, because right now you retrace, and if you start to take out that white line, okay, you're breaking out of a large horizontal here, which gives you a breakout target above that line. Okay, and that's a pattern breakout basically, and with that you can see, if we drop the retracement levels on, that you've come down to this retracement, and right now you're coiling up to break this high, then you're looking at a new fib target of $4.50 on the 1618. Just like that, and that's it. That's charting, that's technical analysis, you know. And we've come up there, retraced, 1618 met, retraced to this low, 1618 met, and then we retraced to this low, broke out, 1618 met. Beautiful. So we've met two 1618s on the dollar, okay, and the cent, and right now we're trying to break this high, which will give us this $4.50, 55, around about that sort of area. But with this, you know, with this particular retracement, it's not on here, but that particular technical target, the 1618, will actually be breaking the all-time high there. So that's where we might actually start to go parabolic here for XRP. As we start to come up and we come up to this technical target, we may actually go beyond that. But that would be a very key level of resistance for me moving forward anyway. So yeah, that's basically XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong. It's looking to retrace. Where can we get some bids on? if it retraces. On the 4 hourly time frame, you are breaking bullish here for XRP. You're very, very overextended here on the EMAs. You're going vertical, and like I said to you, anything that takes off into space, you do usually fall back to support, hold, and continue. So there is a couple of key levels of support. It's this high here, 81 cents I think it is, and then the 4 hour 20 EMA. If you start to put in a deeper retracement, create some kind of bull flag just there, do anticipate as it starts to come down, you get a little kiss off the 4 hourly 20. That's an uptrend because you're breaking out, you're holding the EMAs, and you've got your uptrend in continuation. So the 4 hourly EMA retest might be a good little entry point for you moving forward. Okay, that's XRP. Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care everyone. Bye bye.